We've all seen robot vacuums that can wipe up a light spill, but what happens when you drop something thick, sticky, or greasy? Usually your robot just ends up smearing it all over the house. Today I'm partnering with ECOVACS to check out the Deebot X12 OmniCyclone, and it's packing a brand new FocusJet technology designed to actually pre-dissolve those impossible messes before cleaning them up. In this video, we'll be putting that to the test with some pretty extreme messes. Let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to removing sticky and greasy messes, this is definitely one of the best that I've tested. To prep for this, I loaded the heavy-duty washing solution right into the base station. The workflow on the X12 is incredibly smart. It sweeps up the loose debris first, but when it recognizes a sticky stain, the FocusJet stain pre-dissolving tech kicks in. It applies a targeted spray directly to the mess to break it down before the scrubbing even starts. I tested this out starting with a relatively easy mess, which was soy sauce. It had no issues at all. After that, I stepped it up to a heavy grease spill, which this thing chewed right through. Finally, I hit it with some sticky chamoy sauce, which is a nightmare for most vacuums, but it easily dissolved and picked this up. The secret weapon here is the OsmoRoller 3.0. While traditional vacuums with static mop pads tend to just spread a heavy mess around your floor, this roller continuously cleans itself while it cleans the floor. It instantly lifts the mess and refreshes the mop as it goes, leaving nothing but a clean floor behind. Another thing that really stood out to me about this roller setup is the TrueEdge 3.0 technology and its ability to get super close to furniture and edges. The roller actually extends outward by up to 1.5 centimeters, allowing this to get super snug around my table and chair legs. It completely eliminates that annoying, unclean ring you usually get around furniture. This also cleaned right up to the edge of my cabinets and baseboards. It was able to pull up the dust and dirt right along the baseboard line, which is an area that most other robot vacuums totally miss. It hugs the edges perfectly, making sure the entire floor is actually clean, not just the center of the room. This is one of the most powerful vacuums that I've tested so far, packing up to 22,000 Pascal of suction power. But ECOVACS isn't just throwing out big numbers on a spec sheet. They've actually redesigned the airflow on this vacuum for ultimate power. Thanks to this blast airflow technology and the increased suction, the X12 is easily able to pick up heavy debris like coffee beans straight from my carpets. It also handles larger, more difficult messes with ease, including fine particles like a mixture of coffee grounds, cornmeal, and hair ground into the carpet. While other vacuums would typically need 2 or more passes to get that kind of mess completely clear, this vacuum cleans everything up on the very first pass. Since I do have a couple of dogs, I absolutely need a vacuum that can tackle hair without constantly choking or needing to be cut free. The ZeroTangle 4.0 is one of the best hair detangle systems that I've seen on a robot vacuum. It starts with the AR Clean Anti-tangle side brush, which actively feeds hair right to the middle of the main brush. The main brush itself has a really clever design. It's attached at one end but floats on the other. As the hair makes its way down the brush, the blast airflow instantly pulls it off the roller and sends it straight into the dustbin, keeping the brush roll completely clean. Moving on to what has to be my favorite part of this vacuum is how ridiculously fast it charges. There's nothing worse than your vacuum dying halfway through a run, charging for hours, and then kicking back on at midnight right after you've gone to sleep. With the X12, it gets the entire job done in one go, even in larger homes running in deep cleaning mode. This is all thanks to the PowerBoost Charging Plus technology. Whenever the vacuum returns to the base station to wash its mop, it instantly begins fast charging. In just the 3 minutes it takes to clean the roller, it boosts the battery by up to 13%, and I've verified that exact number in my own testing. It also features adaptive charging, which intelligently manages the battery based on the room size and cleaning mode to protect its overall lifespan over time. Between the fast top-offs and the smart battery management, this had absolutely no problem tackling my entire first floor in a single run. Let's talk about the OmniCyclone station itself. One of the best features here is that it completely eliminates the need for disposable dust bags. That means you're going to save a solid amount of money in the long run since you aren't constantly having to buy replacements. This uses a bagless design that achieves really strong dust separation performance, keeping the entire system running efficiently without losing suction over time. The station also handles all the maintenance for you. It cleans the mop using hot water to really break down the grime it pulled off your floors, and then it fully dries the mop with hot air so it's fresh, odor-free, and ready for the next cleaning cycle. Overall, the Deebot X12 OmniCyclone has genuinely impressed me, especially with how it tackles those stubborn, sticky messes and pet hair without missing a beat. If you're dealing with tough stains, or if you just want a truly hands-off cleaning experience, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll have a link in the description below so you can find out more information about the X12 OmniCyclone and grab one for yourself. Also, be sure to check out the Deebot X12 Pro Omni, all the same flagship features, but it replaces the pure Cyclone Auto Empty system with a traditional dust bag system. Let me know in the comments what your biggest cleaning challenge is at home. Is it pet hair, hard floor stains, or something else? As always, thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.